Hello guys, I am Jasmeet and welcome to Blogging Unplugged Clips. On this channel, you will find bite-sized videos from our main channel, Blogging Unplugged. If you are not into those hour-long videos, then this channel is for you. And if you find the content helpful, then make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell. And with that said, let's dive into the video. Now to see this difference, what I'll have to do is I'll have to activate the 2021 theme again. Then you will notice a difference when I'll hover my cursor over all of these themes. So let me just go ahead and activate this theme. Now once the 2021 theme is activated, you will see when I bring my cursor over to the 2022 theme, it shows me a button to live preview this. Now we all know we can live preview themes, and this live preview is a customizer based preview. It basically uses the customizer to show you the preview. Now this button is missing in the new blog based themes. Now the difference here is that the site editor has replaced the customizer in the blog-based themes, and that is why the button is missing. Now some of you may be thinking, now how can we activate a theme without seeing the live preview of it? And yes, that is true. Now what WordPress is going to do here is that they will soon release a live preview for the blog-based themes as well. And once that support is added, you will see the live preview button just like the other themes over here, and then you will be able to easily live preview any theme. Now for right now, what I will recommend you do is not use the blog based themes on your site. Now the reason behind this is simple. The new site editor or the full site editing is currently in beta. Okay, so let WordPress release more updates towards it and make this platform a little more stable. Let the community release a few more themes, and then you will have the option to use it on your sites. Now in the meantime, I will suggest that you familiarize yourself with the new site editor, because if you are looking to create custom templates on WordPress, then this is the feature that you should know, and WordPress is heading quickly towards it. Moving forward, I will activate the 2022 theme and will take you through a few more of the changes. Now I hope you have found this video helpful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Also, the links to our socials are in the description box below. Make sure to follow us on other platforms as well. And with that said, I will see you in the next video.